In the last lecture we had seen regarding the first order reaction, right? I write here general expression for the first order reaction, that is K1 is equal to 2.303 upon T into logarithm to the base 10 of A upon A minus X. This is the general expression for the rate constant for the first order reaction. Okay. Then suppose instead of A, I write here A0, and instead of A minus X, I write here AT. No any problem, because in some references A0 and AT notifications are given, where A0 is equal to initial concentration of reactant and AT is equal to concentration of reactant at time t or after time t. Okay. Then I can write here K1 is equal to 2.303 upon T logarithm to the base 10 of A0 upon AT. Right. Suppose I write here logarithm to the base 10 of A0 upon AT is equal to K1 into T upon 2.303. Okay. Suppose I am not taking logarithm, I just taking ln, natural logarithm. A0 upon AT is equal to K1 into T. Okay. Then A0 upon AT is equal to e raised to K1 into T. Then I can write here A0 is equal to AT into e raised to K1 into T. This is the exponential form of the first order reaction, right? Suppose I want to write the exponential form in terms of AT, I can. How? Just I write here A0 is equal to AT into e raised to K1 into T, right? Now for this same, up to this same, ln of A0 upon AT is equal to K1 into T, right? I write here minus ln of AT upon A0. How this possible? According to logarithm rule, suppose you want to interchange the numerator and denominator with each other, give the negative sign, right here. Here this ln is equal to AT upon A0 is equal to minus K1 into T. Therefore, AT upon A0 is equal to e raised to minus K1 into T. I can write here the exponential form in terms of AT. AT is equal to A0 e raised to minus K1 into T. This is the second exponential form of the first order reaction. This first in terms of A0, that is initial concentration of reactant, and the second in terms of AT, that is concentration of reactant at time t. Okay, these are the exponential form. Suppose up to the MSc first year or TYBSc or SYBSc, stoichiometry 1 is given to you. Okay, stoichiometry 1 is given to you. That means suppose the reaction is provided to you, A is equal to product. You can say product. For this reaction I can write K1 is equal to 2.303 upon T into logarithm to the base 10 of A0 upon AT, right? Or A upon A minus X. You can write anything. Or you can write here A0 is equal to AT into e raised to K1 into T, right? E raised to K1 into T. These are the same, no any problem. You can write here T half, okay, which is equal to 0.693 upon K or K1, okay. There is no any problem. But suppose in any particular reaction, suppose 2A gives product P, 3A gives product P, right? Or stoichiometry, okay, any stoichiometry for the reaction A to P, okay, what are the changes are taking place? This point is according to your competitive examinations. This is not a part of your Uni Pune syllabus, right? Okay. मग जर स्टोचियोमेट्री डिफरंट दिलेली असेल तर तुम्ही रिएक्शन मध्ये काय चेंज करणार, राइट? स्टोचियोमेट्री काय असेल, डिफरंट असेल तर रिएक्शन मध्ये सॉरी रेट कॉन्स्टंट मध्ये काय चेंज करणार? काहीच नाही. ओके, जस्ट बघा K1 ॲज इट इज, 2.303 ॲज इट इज, T ॲज इट इज. फक्त T च्या आधी काय लिहायचं? स्टोचियोमेट्री, राइट? एनी स्टोचियोमेट्री log to the base 10 as it is, A0 as it is, AT as it is, it's A upon A minus X. Though you can write instead of this you can write A upon A minus X, no any problem, right? So okay, you will get for this reaction I can write, okay, for this reaction I can write K1 is equal to 2.03 upon stoichiometry 2, therefore 2T. Okay, logarithm to the base 10 of A0 upon AT, right? For this reaction I can write K1 is equal to 2.03 upon 3T, logarithm to the base 10 of A0 upon AT, right? For this reaction I can write K1 is equal to 2.03 upon stoichiometry into T, logarithm to the base 10 of A0 upon AT, right one? If you want to write the stoichiometry for this particular exponential form, no any problem, it is also simple, right? Suppose you want to write the exponential form of particular reaction having the stoichiometry other than that of 1, that means unity is not a stoichiometry, then you can write A0 is equal to AT e raised to stoichiometry into K into T, right? In terms of AT is equal to A0 e raised to minus stoichiometry into K1 into T, right? Okay, right? These are the exponential form. Suppose 2a दिलेला असेल तर इथं stoichiometry 2 येईल, 3a असेल तर stoichiometry काय येईल, 3 येईल. Okay, no problem. What about the half life period? General half life period for the first order reaction having the stoichiometry or coefficient is equal to 1. Then you can say that T half is equal to 0.693 upon K1. Suppose any reaction having stoichiometry other than that of 1, then half life period expression for the half life period converts only T half is equal to 0.693 upon stoichiometry into K1, right? Okay, मग जर तुम्हाला एक्झामिनेशन मध्ये अशी रिएक्शन दिली असेल फॉर द गिवन फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, the reaction is given as 2a gives product, what is the half life period, then you can write here half life period for the above reaction is equal to 0.693 upon 2 into K1, right? 0.693 2 into T half for this reaction 2a gives product, that means stoichiometry is other than 1, coefficient here 2. Therefore, T half life period is equal to 0.693 upon 2 into rate constant, that is 2K1. This is sufficient about the first order reaction. Okay, all topics are covered starting from the integrated rate law, okay, and ending on a different stoichiometry with exponential form, half life period, general reaction, then graphical representation, and the unit will never change. For the first order reaction it is always second inverse or time inverse or minute inverse or hour inverse. Okay, now we are going to solve the numericals for the first order reaction, right? Starting from the easy numerical. Okay, I only tell the numerical, I will not write numerical here. Okay, just point out. Okay, just write the numerical in your notebook, running notebook. Okay, baga, a reaction is 25% completed in 25 minutes. What would be the concentration after what would be the concentration after 50 minutes? Okay, if initial concentration is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter and the given reaction is first order, right? Once again I tell the numerical, a reaction is a 25% completed in a first 25 minutes, right? Okay, what will be the concentration of reactant in 50 minutes after 50 minutes? Okay, if initial concentration of reactant is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter, okay, and given that reaction is a first order, I write here given things first, given data or given things first, right? Reaction is first order, reaction is first order, initial concentration of reactant, okay, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 moles per liter, okay, 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 moles per liter. Okay, reaction is a completed 25%, that means, okay, x is equal to 25%, a minus x, or you can say that here, okay, here असंच ठेवू आपण, हा सेकंड हाफ साठी सोडवायचा आहे. आता पहिले बघा काय दिलंय, रिएक्शन इज अ 25% completed in time 25 minute. In time 25 minute, right? Whenever any problem, inside the any problem, suppose percentage is a given, to solve to find the rate constant, initially assume the initial concentration of reactant A0 will be 100%. ओके, काय अज्यूम करायचं, A0 विल बी काय 100%. मग तुम्ही एकदा हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, K1 इज इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन T लॉगॅरिथम टू द बेस 10 ऑफ A अपॉन A मायनस एक्स, नो एनी प्रॉब्लेम. किंवा हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, K1 इज इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन T लॉगॅरिथम टू द बेस 10 ऑफ A0 अपॉन AT. तुम्हाला जो हवा तो फॉर्म्युला काय करा, यूज करा. कुठलाही काहीही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ओके, I assume initially A is equal to 100%, right? At time t, at t is equal to 25 minutes, okay, x is equal to 25%. That means A minus x is equal to 100 minus 25 is equal to 75%, right? All things are there. Okay, t 25 minute, x 25%, a minus x 25, 100 minus 25 75%, a is equal to 100%. Initially find rate constant K1. K1 is equal to 2.303 upon t. What is the t? 25 minutes. Okay, into logarithm to the base 10 of a 100, a minus x 75, right? A minus x is equal to 75. By solving this, okay, use scientific calculator, log of 100 upon 75 multiply 2.303 multiply, sorry, log of 2.303 is equal to 25. Answer is 0.01151. What is unit? Second inverse. That means you will get the rate constant value 0.01151, second inverse, right? Now you want to solve the second half reaction. Now initial concentration is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter is provided to you, right? What will be the concentration after t is equal to 50 minute, right? T is equal to 50 minute. Okay, I think here minute inverse, not a second, right? Minute inverse, because we are taking time in a minute. Okay, ठीक. मग काय येईल आता इथं 2.303 upon 50 minutes logarithm A0. What is A0? 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter. What is AT? Okay, what will be the AT? That means A minus X. You can write here, instead of AT, you can write here A minus X. Right? So by solving this, okay, मी आता calculation करत नाही, मी problem सोडवले direct. Answer is 1.12 into 10 raised to minus 4. Solve this problem. 1.12 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter. What is A minus X? The concentration of reactant after time t, that is 50 minutes, concentration will be 1.12 into 10 raised to minus 12, sorry, 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter. By solving according to, by using mathematical or scientific calculator, okay, you can able to solve the numerical, a very easy numerical provided to you. Okay, then suppose ओके we are taking the numericals. Numerical. ठीक है, remaining numerical will be provided in a WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you all of you.